Well, we finally waited. Kling AI has released a new feature called Video Elements and also updated the interface. Watch this video until the end and you'll be able to create equally incredibly cool videos. Yes, I'm sure, even much better. Hello everyone, this is the Mikhail and Nadia channel. With you is Mikhail. Today let's go over the Kling AI program. By the way, it was updated just the other day. New features have been added and the interface has also been updated. Here we see that the homepage has been completely redesigned. Here we can look at examples of work done by other people. Let's take a look at what was done. Here, as we can see, this video was made using, here we have the starting image uploaded. And here is a prompt. For example, if we like this video, we click on the three dots on the right, click download, and download it to our computer. Alternatively, based on this photo, you can click recreate and make the video again. Also in the Kling program, videos can be made using text, that is the text of this video, or by uploading an image. And we read the video, let's see what has changed here. We see that previously everything was together, creating and generating images and separate generation, video and sound. Now all of this has been separated. Registration is done using a Google account, an Apple account, or via email. Let's log in. Using email, generation email link below, you can generate as many email addresses as you want, or log in, by the way. Every month, here in the top right corner, is the number of coins you have. 166 coins are given for free registration. Let's go to the start page, immediately see how much it costs to change our tariff plan, and as we can see, the amount hasn't changed. It still remains almost $80 per year by subscription. We are given 660 credits per month. If taken monthly, it's $7 per month. After the month ends, the next month will already be 8.8, roughly speaking, $9. If, for example, you want to take it for the same $7 the next month as well, without overpaying, then you just need to log into another account, and you will also have it for $7. Personally, I use a paid subscription. I'll tell you why. Firstly, the free subscription has a very long generation time. It takes about 3 hours. So if you make a lot of videos, you will eventually need to get a subscription. If you want to use the free subscription, my advice is to create many Google accounts or email accounts. And just set the videos to upload overnight. Upload them overnight, and in the morning when you wake up, all your videos will be generated and ready to work with. So, let's get started on creating our masterpieces. By the way, the logout and account switch process has changed a bit here. Click on the profile page, then profile settings, and here click on the site itself, and there's essentially no difference in creating paid versions from its free version. As you can see, I have a standard subscription. Oh yes, by the way, a new tab for effects has been added here. Let's see what's new here. The first two effects have appeared. It was like this, turning into a sphere. Here, a photo ant is crumpled like clay. This new cup transforms into another cup. Next, there's a demonstration of an object. For example, here they are spinning a cat. You can spin any other photo and it will rotate in place. And here's some new effect. An aging effect, perhaps. I don't know. I haven't tried it. Let's try it at the end of the video. I don't know what it is. Let's finally start creating the video. We open the AI generation tab, the video tab. Previously, I made all videos by uploading an image. So we select frames, click to get draw, okay? And upload a photo here from one of the latest videos. Here we uploaded a static image, wrote a prompt, and here we have the animation happening. Now the Kling program has added a new feature called Elements. This means you can upload not just one image, but up to 4 different images and create a whole composition from them. So, let's get started. Click on Upload to Image and let's upload the first picture. For example, it will be Deadpool, as we can see here on the left. Our picture is being uploaded and it takes a little time, so let's immediately see how it will look. Everything is fine. The head, legs, and arms are in place. The next one we will upload will be Johnny Depp as the Pirate of the Caribbean. That's fine. And for the third picture, we will upload a park and then we'll write a prompt for what we have. Johnny Depp is walking with Deadpool through the park, and we'll see what comes out of it. So, now we write Deadpool and Jack Sparrow Achanetin are slowly walking through the park. So we've written the prompt, and then we see that the video creation process has changed a bit here. Here, we choose the mode, either professional or standard. If you have the free version, only the standard mode is available to you. By the way, generation will cost only 20 coins in standard mode and 35 in professional mode. Then the video length can be either 5 seconds or 10 seconds. The format can be either 16 by 9, which is horizontal, 9 by 6, or 9 by 16. Vertical is for Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and 1.1 is square. Since the video will be uploaded to YouTube, the format is 16 by 9, and then this is the quantity of videos that need to be generated accordingly. The more videos there are, the more expensive it will be. So we press the generate button. We see that the creation process will take a whole 6 minutes. Now, just for fun, let's switch to the free version and do the same thing, but for the free version. Let's log out of our account, log into the free account, and see how long the same video will take to create in the free version. By the way, it's quite strange why it also takes 6 minutes in the free version. Maybe it's because Click has been updated and they just removed the delay that used to be there. We used to have to wait a whole 3 hours. Well, since that's the case, let's use the free version, submit, make other videos, and then delete them. Make another video. So the next video we will have, for example, Harley Quinn, the second photo. We will have a generated Barbie, and they will be sitting on the beach. No, let's upload the beach. Now let's write the prompt. Who is Harley Quinn? I use the prompt translator. You can also download it for yourself if you're not good with English. Wrote that they are sitting, facing each other, facing the camera. Let's copy this prompt and paste it as Harley Quinn and Barbie in the role of Poplar. So professional, 5 seconds horizontal. We press generate, but we see that in the free version, you can't upload another video in the stream. That is, you need to wait until the generation of the first video is finished, and only after that can we upload. And while our video is being generated, I want to tell you that I have a link to a great VPN service, Hide My Name. You can follow the link below to connect to it. There is also a promo code for an additional discount. What makes this service good? The fact that it has been on the market for over 10 years. You can also set up this VPN on a router to watch VPN YouTube on a TV, on a laptop, on a phone, on a tablet, on a smartphone. Absolutely anything, on any device. I personally use it myself. This VPN service. All the links are below in the description. And for those who have problems setting up a VPN on a router, follow the link above. You can go to my video and see how to set it up easily in just 5 minutes. VPN on a router. So 3 minutes have passed, our video is ready. I am really very surprised that in the free version, now the video is made in just 3 minutes. So you can actually not buy a paid subscription at all, just log back into the account and make videos. But the video is really awesome, of course it's crazy. The quality is amazing. Super, so let's see if we can download it without a watermark. Yes, well unfortunately there is a watermark at the bottom here. By the way, you will find a link below my video to a service on how to remove this watermark completely for free. Or you can simply blur it out, but as I mentioned in the previous video, you can place your own label or slightly zoom in to remove it. Let's quickly switch to the paid version now. What did we get there? Well, everything is just as good. The only thing is that if we download it now, we won't have a watermark anymore. Tell me honestly, which generation turned out better, the free version or the paid version? But somehow the paid version doesn't often make me very happy. They seem to be in bokeh, honestly. I even like the free version more, so let's switch back to the free version before they fix it, because they really updated it recently. I think they might tweak it again, and we'll have to wait a whole 3 hours to generate one video. So we type Harley Quinn Barbie. Let's check Professional 5 seconds 16 by 9. Our video is ready. Let's see what we got here. The only thing is somehow I don't know. I didn't really like that my picture was kind of the same. It changed something and a bit of the arms and legs, but we can still see that the picture is awesome. We can even see that in the background. Look at the sea. The movement of the waves is preserved. I think in general that Kling has reached a new level. So in this video, in fact, there are 3 images together, meaning the background is a forest park, 2 characters, and they don't intersect with each other at all. Just for the neuron for the video now, it will be that the hands, with the hand and the leg all mixed together. And it results in such an unattractive image. But here everything is clear, and the camera moves away, and we see that the image completes the objects. Here of course we don't have any movement as such, but here we see movement, the palm trees in the background. Yes, we see that the palm trees are swaying. Here the waves are moving, if I didn't quite understand why. Harley Quinn and Barbie decided to kiss each other, but this is probably that very thing. And how do you say it? Well, I don't know. Well, honestly, I didn't really like the image here somehow. Barbie's pose is not quite what I had planned. Let's change the prompt a bit. Well, let's write that they were kissing. I'm just watching the video. They already wanted to kiss. They sit tense, facing each other towards the camera, and they kiss. But the only downside is quite significant. In the free version, you can't stream here. In the paid version, you can stream up to 150 videos, upload one after another, and edit them. By the way, in the Hilo program, you can stream 3 videos, even in the free version. And for those who are interested, by the way, in comparing neural networks in the past, in the video I was just comparing neural networks. Dream face, Shaded blade, Shapike, mouth, and your wounds, the only wound. I couldn't fully complete it. I had a problem with video generation. For some reason, during the overlap free streams, I was not credited to individuals under the age of 18 and people with mental disorders. Please step away from the screen. Now, not bad, much better. Just need to add special effects, music, audio, and everything will be perfect. So let's probably change the quality from professional to standard now, so that the generation will cost us 20 coins. At the same time, we'll see what the quality will be, and then I'll be able to make 3 more videos. Also, let's keep 5 seconds horizontal. Video personal, and 1 video we call generate. By the way, let's see how much time the generation will take. Oh, even faster, 3 minutes. The previous video took, I think, 6 or 7 minutes, and this video only 3 minutes. Yes, it's really precise. In the standard version for just 20 coins. Here I am. I can already see why it's so cheap if you look at it like this. Well, without zooming in, the picture is more or less okay, but if we shoot this for YouTube in widescreen mode, look. Now I'll zoom in and see how blurry the picture becomes immediately, although the background is still fine, the trees, benches, everything. It renders correctly well, but as we can see in the foreground, the face is completely blurred. It's hard to make it out. The owl is more or less okay, but still not good. Like the whole body, muscles, legs are fine, but the face is blurred. So the standard quality and 20 coins really make a difference. Well, let's do it in standard quality. I think there's nothing wrong with that. And look, how blurry the picture is right away. If the background is still okay, trees, benches, everything is drawn correctly and well. But as we can see on the first Sharakali, the face is completely blurred in the promo. It's hard to make it out. Wuhalki is more or less okay, but still not good. Like the whole body there, muscles, everything, the legs are fine. But the face is still... To show you, so you have an idea of what you can save on and what you can't, so let's make our task a bit more complicated. Let's upload a real person. This is Daenerys Stormborn, and she will be together with a dragon, and they will be walking. Through something like the kit method, images are placed around the city. So let's see what we got, and we notice that somehow the dragon settled on Daenerys. Yes. In principle, it turned out pretty cool. I pressed Regenerate. Let's see what changed. But unfortunately, for some reason, nothing. Nothing changed here either. As we can see, the artificial intelligence decided to draw in the ground instead of asphalt. And in the background, people appeared from somewhere. Although in the prompt, or rather in the original image, there were no people. So, we changed our Google account. We see that we have 131 coins, also free, but now let's tackle the most difficult task. Here we will have 2 live characters. I think you all know who they are. And now we need to come up with a prompt so that YouTube doesn't ban us. What they will be doing, let's say, they will not be kissing, just 2 people will hug. They will hug friendly and be happy. That's normal. And finally, I wanted to record the last video, of course, with myself, and so I uploaded it. It turns out to be such a photo, you know who with. I chose my best photo. This is the first time I found a mushroom, and I should be standing in the background with the mushroom. Let's see, what came out of this? Here. To be honest, it turned out to be some nonsense. It turned out that they took my mushroom and Trump, arguing with Zelensky. Well, in general, it somehow doesn't look like me. I tried to do a regeneration, and here, too, it turns out to be some kind of nonsense. Well, something like that. Thank you all for watching. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up, write comments, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.